Why is it that the more humans explore the universe, the easier it is to fall into fear and nihilism? Imagine you're an astronomer. Your job every day is staring into the cosmos. And one day, you discover something terrifying. A galaxy on the far edge of the Milky Way is rushing toward us at 2,000 kilometers per second. 400 million years from now, it will collide with our galaxy head-on. You tell everyone this shocking news, but nobody cares, because 400 million years feels too far away, so you keep observing. And then you find the universe is accelerating. All galaxies are flying apart faster and faster. In the end, the entire universe will be torn apart, even atoms will rip open. This is called the Big Rip. You want to find somewhere to hide. But then you realize, 96% of the universe is made of invisible dark matter and dark energy. We don't know what they are. We don't know why they exist. It's like living in a house where 95% of everything around you are transparent ghosts. This is what astronomers face every day. The more you see, the more hopeless it feels. The deeper you look, the more meaningless life seems. But this is only the beginning. Point your telescope deeper into space, and reality becomes even more disturbing. Take Jupiter, our neighbor, 700 million kilometers away. A gas giant that could fit 1,300 Earths inside, and its great red spot. That storm has been raging for centuries. Big enough to swallow Earth whole. You think Jupiter is scary out there, it's just a tiny rookie. Scientists discovered a red hypergiant called Uy-Scuti. It's 700 million times the volume of the Sun. If you placed it where our Sun is, its surface would extend all the way past Jupiter. Earth and Mars would be deep inside its body. Yet Uy-Scuti becomes a grain of dust next to Stephenson 2.18, one of the largest stars we've ever found. 10 billion times the Sun's volume. If the Sun was a basketball, Stephenson 2.18 would be an entire stadium. And these monsters can explode at any moment. A supernova from such a star releases more energy in seconds than the Sun produces in 10 billion years. If Earth was within 100 light years, we would evaporate instantly. But the scariest objects are not stars, they're black holes, 57 billion light years away. Scientists found a black hole, 100 billion times the mass of the Sun. Its diameter is 600 billion kilometers. About 3,900 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. How many galaxies did it consume to become that big? Black holes emit no light. They just sit there in the void, like invisible death gods, waiting patiently for anything that drifts too close. Inside a black hole, time stops. If you fall in, from your perspective you're torn apart instantly, but from the outside, you freeze forever at the event horizon. Like a photograph stuck for eternity. And beyond all these monsters, there are planets so extreme they're almost unreal, like Kepler 70b, surface temperature 6,900 C, hotter than most stars, a true hell world. Anything there would vaporize instantly, and it's spiraling toward its star, until it will eventually burn alive inside it. But the most suffocating thing is not stars or planets, it's the void. The KBC void spans 2 billion light years. Almost nothing inside it, just endless black silence. Imagine traveling through that region. For unimaginable spans of time, you would see no stars, feel no presence, only infinite darkness and loneliness, not days, not years, billions of years. And the universe is accelerating. These voids will get larger. Galaxies will get farther away. Eventually their light will never reach us again. The universe will become darker, colder, emptier. Then you might think the universe is so big. There must be other intelligent life. We can't be alone, right? But reality might be crueler. The Drake equation suggests there should be tens of thousands of civilizations just in the Milky Way. Yet after decades of searching, we found nothing. Not a single signal. This is the Fermi paradox. Maybe every civilization destroys itself before interstellar travel, nuclear war, environmental collapse, AI, or disasters we can't even imagine. Maybe aliens already found us, and they're staying silent on purpose. Watching us like we watch insects, or the scariest possibility, we really are alone. In this entire boundless universe, among all the stars and all the galaxies, only Earth has intelligent life. That means we are the orphans of the universe. No one will save us. No one will answer our questions. We are completely alone. And according to thermodynamics, the ending is already written. This is heat death, as the universe expands. Stars burn out, black holes evaporate, energy drains away, everything falls silent. No stars, no light, no life, only eternal void. The sun will be gone, the Milky Way will be gone. Our civilization, our history, our art, our love and hate. All erased. All this might happen in just a few 100 billion years. Which, to the universe, is a blink. And the irony, we can't even understand 95% of the universe. Only 5% is normal matter. The rest is dark. We don't know what it is. We don't know how it works. We don't know why it exists. Like a child trying to read a quantum physics textbook. Maybe we will never understand the universe. Maybe our physics only works in this universe. Before the Big Bang, all rules break down. Time didn't exist. Space didn't exist. Even the question what happened before might not make sense. So the more we explore, the more we learn this painful truth. We live in a world we may never fully comprehend. Our existence may just be a cosmic accident. Our civilization may flicker briefly like a meteor, leaving no trace behind. That's why exploring the universe often leads to fear, because we realize the universe doesn't care about us. It has no purpose, no meaning. It won't pause for anyone. We are just dust, floating in infinite darkness, existing for a brief moment in a world we cannot control. But maybe that's exactly what makes our existence precious. Every breath, every heartbeat, every moment right now matters. Because in this cold, infinite universe, we might be the only ones who can think, who can feel, who can give anything meaning.